If you are looking for a genuine business, you can start in the UK with just a few £1,000s. This might be the smartest option available today. I am not talking about some online course or a complicated digital scheme that promises the world but delivers very little. This is a real-world service-based business with constant proven demand. You do not need a shop, you do not need to hire staff from day one, you do not need a fancy degree. All you need is a vehicle, some specific equipment, and the willingness to put in the physical work to get the rewards. This is a business built on transforming people's homes. Cleaner, brighter, more valuable, one job at a time. Here is the single most important insight that most people miss when they first look into this industry. They think of pressure washing and window cleaning as two separate, unrelated jobs. This is a mistake. The real genius is in combining them. Pressure washing is the service that gets you the big, exciting, one-off jobs. It makes a potential customer stop and watch as you transform a grimy, moss-covered driveway into something that looks brand new. This service often secures you that first high-value invoice and makes a powerful first impression on the client. But pressure washing jobs can be seasonal and project-based. This can lead to a feast or famine income cycle. This is where window cleaning becomes your secret weapon for stability. Window cleaning provides consistent, predictable, recurring income. A happy customer will have their windows cleaned every 4 weeks, every 6 weeks, every 8 weeks. This creates a reliable foundation of monthly revenue for your business. The combination is powerful. The high-impact pressure washing job wins you the customer's trust and often a significant payment. Then, while you are there, with your van and your professional setup, you make a simple offer. This synergy is what turns a simple side hustle into a robust, scalable business. Let's start by defining what pressure washing actually is in simple terms. At its core, this service involves using a high-pressure jet of water to clean hard outdoor surfaces. Surfaces like driveways, patios, decking become covered in dirt, grime, moss, algae, lichen. This not only looks messy, but can also make these surfaces dangerously slippery, especially when wet. Your job is to remove all of that build-up, restoring the surface to its original condition. Now, let's look at the other half of our business model, window cleaning. Modern window cleaning uses specific tools and techniques. Most pros use a water-fed pole system. Pure water dries without spots or streaks. You can often work safely from the ground. Window cleaning customers mirror pressure washing customers. That's why the services work well together. Let's get into the real numbers, starting with the gear you need for pressure washing. The single biggest purchase will be the pressure washer itself. You have a choice here between electric and petrol-powered machines. For professional use, a petrol engine is almost always the better investment. Next on the list is a surface cleaner. This is non-negotiable if you want to look professional and work efficiently. You will also need hoses, chemicals, and personal protective equipment. The modern window cleaning side of your business. The core of a modern setup is the water-fed pole, or WFP. The water-fed pole is useless without pure water. This is the magic behind the streak-free finish. A complete setup, pump, controller, and a hose reel with hose, will typically cost between £250 and £400. Let's pull these numbers together into a few realistic scenarios. Shoestring budget, the absolute bare minimum. Total, approximately £2,850. It's tight, but it's a start. Mid-range starter budget, the most realistic path. Total, around £5,750. Reliable and efficient from day one. Pro setup, for those with more capital who want top-tier gear. Total, easily £11,000 or more, offering maximum efficiency and reliability. Let's talk about the exciting part, how much money you can actually make. Pressure washing jobs are typically priced on a per-job basis. For a small job, like a standard 2-car block-paved driveway, you could realistically charge between £150 and £250. This kind of job might take you 2 to 3 hours, including setup and pack-down time. This translates to an excellent hourly rate. Now let's look at the other side of the equation, the steady, recurring income from window cleaning. For a typical 3-bedroom semi-detached house in the UK, you might charge anywhere from £12 to £20 for a clean every 4 weeks or 6 weeks. If you secure just 5 new customers a week at an average price of £15 per clean, after 1 month you will have added 20 customers to your round. A 100 home round generates £1,500 every month. Let's look at what a sample month could look like. Your pressure washing projects brought in 1,920, and your window cleaning round brought in 1,200. Your total revenue for that sample month would be 3,120. This is a very realistic figure for someone who is putting in the effort during their first year of trading. The fundamental reason this business combination is so powerful is brilliantly simple. You are selling to the exact same customer. The person who cares about having a clean, moss-free driveway is almost always the same person who wants to look through sparkling, streak-free windows. This shared customer profile dramatically simplifies your marketing efforts. You can promote both services together under one company brand. The real magic happens once you have secured that first job. This is the golden moment. As you are packing up your equipment, you can have a very natural, low-pressure conversation. I'm so glad you're happy with the patio. While I was working, I noticed your windows could do with a clean too. This is not a hard sell. It is a helpful suggestion. The chances of them saying yes are incredibly high. Each service feeds the other in a perfect, continuous cycle. Running both services from a single business creates enormous operational efficiencies that save you time and money. This means you only need to buy one vehicle, tax one vehicle, insure one vehicle, fuel one vehicle. This immediately halves your biggest overhead compared to running 2 separate businesses. Plan work geographically to minimize travel time. Save fuel and wasted driving time. You're already in the area. Before you rush out to buy a pressure washer, we need an honest conversation about the realities of this business in the UK. This is not a passive income stream. It is a real, physical job requiring hard work and resilience. The most obvious challenge is the British weather. Between November and February, persistent rain, freezing temperatures, snow. Be prepared for downtime, have financial discipline, save during busy summer months to see you through winter. Take the legal and admin side seriously from day one. Get correct public liability insurance, register as a sole trader with HMRC, keep meticulous income and expense records for tax. Paperwork isn't glamorous, but it's non-negotiable. You're dealing with the public. Most customers are great, some customers are difficult, some have unrealistic expectations, some are slow to pay. Build a thick skin and strong communication skills. You're not just a cleaner, you're the face of your business. Let's be crystal clear about who this business model is perfectly suited for. This is an ideal opportunity for someone who wants to start a business with a relatively low financial risk. It's perfect for people who are practical, who enjoy hands-on work, and who get satisfaction from visible results. This business is also perfect for those who want a fast start and a simple sales process. The sales process is straightforward because the need is obvious. On the other hand, there are people who should definitely avoid this business. If you're looking for a passive income stream or a way to make money while you sleep, this is absolutely not it. Your income is directly tied to the hours you work. It requires your active physical presence. If you are not self-motivated or can't manage your time, you will struggle. There is no boss to tell you what to do each morning. If you have decided this is the right path for you, then the final piece of the puzzle is a clear, actionable plan. Week 1. Focus on learning and sourcing gear. Watch tutorials, search marketplaces, purchase key items. Week 2. All about practice. Your property is your training ground. Practice builds technique, confidence and efficiency. Week 3. Go live. Marketing week. Get professionally printed flyers, deliver them, knock on doors, fill your diary with quotes. Week 4. Execution. Do your first paid jobs. Be punctual, be professional, focus on delivering outstanding results. End week 4 having earned money and started recurring income. Your journey has begun. This is your complete guide to starting the best low-cost mobile business in the UK.